Inside the factory. How golf balls are made. Have you ever wondered how a tiny golf ball can fly hundreds of yards? Inside golf ball factories, every ball goes through an incredible high-precision process that combines chemistry, engineering, and robotics. Let's take a quick look at how golf balls are made. Everything starts with the core, the powerful center of the golf ball. Manufacturers mix special rubber compounds, usually polybutadiene, along with chemicals that control weight, speed, and compression. The mixture is placed into steel molds and compressed under intense heat and pressure until it forms a perfectly round rubber sphere. This core is what gives the ball its explosive energy when struck by a golf club. Next, additional layers may be added around the core. Some golf balls have just 2 layers, while advanced balls can have 4 or even 5. Each layer helps control things like spin, distance, and feel. These layers are made from specialized plastics or rubber materials that are molded tightly around the core to create a perfectly balanced ball. Now comes the iconic outer shell. Molten plastic or urethane is injected into a mold surrounding the ball. The mold contains hundreds of tiny indentations, the dimples that give golf balls their unique texture. A typical golf ball has 300 to 500 dimples, which help reduce air resistance and allow the ball to travel farther and more smoothly through the air. After molding, the balls go through finishing machines. Mechanical or robotic systems buff away tiny seams, then spray multiple coats of paint while the ball spins to ensure a perfect finish. Before leaving the factory, each golf ball is carefully inspected to ensure it meets strict standards for size, weight, and balance. From rubber chemicals to a perfectly engineered sphere, the humble golf ball is actually a small masterpiece of modern manufacturing. Next time you watch a golf shot soar down the fairway, remember, a lot of science went into that tiny ball.